In this getter, we have to replace all the vowels in the sentence by exclamation marks. How can we achieve this? Well, first of all, I want to assign a variable, vowels, and include all the vowels in it. And then we can start iterating through the sentence. So for character in the sentence and print the characters, see what we have. Yeah. And now we have to use a condition. We have to check out if the character is in the vowel string. This will return a Boolean value. Yeah. If it is met, we should do something. Let's define the condition. If the condition is met, then we have to do something with the string. String should be equal to the string, and then we use the replace method and paste in as a first argument the character. That is the character that we have to replace. And then we have to put in a second character, and that is the character that we have to replace the character with. In other words, we replace all the vowels in the string with exclamation marks. Let me actually showcase that. When we print the string here, you see that iteration for iteration, all the vowels will be replaced by exclamation marks. So at the end of our for loop, we should just return our string, and that should do the trick. There we are. I hope this has been helpful and that you learned something from it. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in another video.